So I made it through security. I got to the airport at 11:45. Checked my bag, got through security by 12. Boarding starts at 12:05 and my flight leaves at 12:45. So I am in Orlando. So I just left the Sky Club. It's 8:30 and it's closed. Now I am just in the Orlando airport, and they have an actual hotel inside the airport, so I might be crashing there tonight.
The handrail. The shuttle is approaching.
And a water.
Floor 4.
Nothing too fancy. They gave a little gift basket. And I got a 1-bedroom. And this is the little view right by the airport. So you have all the different hotels. So I'm in the hot tub, the whirlpool right now. There's a swimming pool behind me. And after this, just showered and go to sleep. But tomorrow, my check-in time is 1 to 1:30. So I'm gonna eat breakfast at the hotel, jump on a shuttle. I get there, my check-in time is 1 to 1:30. And get on there, have a muster station, check out the cruise ship, then we're good to go. Good morning. It's the morning of the cruise. I'm about to go downstairs, get some breakfast. So I'm back at the airport. Now I just have to find the shuttle, and then I'm gonna go ahead and head to the port. So I am at the port, about to check in. The cruise ships are looking huge. So let's see how it goes. So I'm on the boat, and now I'm gonna just explore. I'm thirsty, really thirsty, so I'm gonna go find the nearest water. So there's 11 floors on the boat. I am on room 10. The only skill McDonald's gave me, how to make an ice cream cone. I ordered my water. Yes. It's not that. Is there a window? Yeah, I got windows. Nice. So I just played 4 games on the shack court. We went undefeated because of me, of course. But now it's time for the sell-away party. So I'm gonna take a quick shower and go to deck 9, the Lido deck where everyone's at, and just sit down and chill. So I just got off the boat. It's still raining out here in the Bahamas, but I decided to go ahead, take a trip. Now I'm just walking along the little exit area, and I'm gonna see what stores, whatever I can find. I really just want a cigar. I'm in this this Liberty sauna. By far the hottest sauna I have ever been in. I'm literally dripping sweat. I didn't even work out. I literally did 3 reps of shoulder press, and then I just came in here. I'm doing 15 minutes. It's crazy. It's wild.
any other questions?
But I'm gonna bring y'all along to see the rest of my night. So I go in my room, go to the right, walk down the flights on the Lido deck, which is the main deck, through the double doors. To the right is the buffet. I'll show a little bit. Come back to the room. Then I'll take y'all back to the Vito Palace where the comedy show is tonight. I wanted to show you guys the best part that I personally love about my room. You see the lights and everything, the curtain over the window. Now, of course, you turn on the lights from the door, but watch this. Boom. Lights off. Watch this. Boom. Lights on. This is so great.
T-shirts. I'm sure y'all saw some for sale in Nassau. I hope you didn't buy one.
So for the end of my vlog, I did not record the de-embarkation process, getting off the boat. Everything went smoothly. The Orlando airport still closed. So right now, I'm at a DoubleTree Hotel, Hilton. Super, super nice hotel. And that's really it for this vlog. So I'm sorry, guys, that I didn't do it fully. I just enjoyed the moment. But, you know, I got some good clips, so I hope you enjoy.
Thank you guys so much. We'll see you next time. Fire Lake Band. That's how we're excited. We are Fire Lake.